Hi, welcome to another deep dive into an AI-powered tool that's changing the game in education. Today we're exploring Genially, a platform that promises to turn static content into interactive experiences for both teachers and students. Let's get straight into the details, pulling all our information directly from their official website to give you the most accurate review possible. Right off the bat, Genially positions itself as the all-in-one tool for creating stunning interactive content. It's built for everyone, especially educators and learners, aiming to make presentations, infographics, gamification, and virtual classrooms more engaging and effective. The core promise is to make communication visual and interactive, transforming the way ideas are presented and knowledge is shared. Diving into the features, the scope is incredibly impressive. You can create a vast array of content, from interactive images and videos to complex presentations, escape rooms, and portfolios. The magic lies in its vast template library, which is neatly organized by use case, making it easy to start a project for education, business, or marketing. For teachers, this means ready-to-go templates for quizzes, lesson plans, and interactive diagrams, which can be a massive time saver. The interactivity features are where it truly shines. You can embed audio, video, quizzes, pop-ups, and hyperlinks into any creation, making your content a dynamic journey rather than a passive slideshow. The collaboration features are also a strong point, allowing real-time co-editing and sharing, which is perfect for group projects and teacher-student collaboration. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, the sheer versatility is a massive pro. It's a single tool for almost all your visual content needs. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, significantly lowering the learning curve for new users. The ability to create truly immersive and interactive experiences without any technical know-how is a game-changer for educators looking to boost student engagement. The free plan is quite generous, offering a substantial amount of features to get started and test the platform thoroughly. However, there are some cons to consider. While the free plan is great, the most powerful features like offline access, premium templates, and removing Genially branding are locked behind the paid plans. The learning curve, while minimal for basics, can get steeper when you want to create highly complex interactions, requiring some time investment to master. For users with very slow internet, the reliance on online editing and viewing could be a slight limitation. Additionally, while the AI is helpful, the creative control still ultimately rests with the user, so it requires a clear vision to build the most effective projects. Genially offers three main pricing tiers, starting with a free plan that allows users to start creating interactive content with access to over 1,000 free templates, the ability to import files, and AI-powered tools for image and text editing. The Pro plan is priced at $10 per month and includes everything in the free plan plus premium templates, the ability to download projects in various formats, offline viewing, audio uploads, exclusive publishing options, and password protection. The top-tier master plan costs $20 per month billed annually and builds on the Pro features by adding a brand kit for custom branding, removal of the Genially watermark, team templates, advanced permissions, individual activity tracking, learner progress analytics, and detailed engagement data on views and interactions. Thanks for sticking with me through this review, and see you later.